I will read the presentation work. My name is Sofyan Hidayat, NPM 09. Preliminary. Yang A. Background. The subgrade is an important part of the road intrusion because it supports the interconstruction above. The subgrade determines whether or not the building construction is expensive because of the strength of the land. The subgrade in its original state is a complex and highly variable mineral contents. Chapter 2 Theory Review. Land and rocks. In general technical terms, soil is defined as a material consisting of aggregates of soil minerals which are not chemically bound to each other and of decayed organic matter, solid particles, each accompanied by liquid and gas that fill the empty space between the solid particles. In soil mechanics, scaled soil are all natural deposits associated with civil engineering except for fixed rock. B. Definition of soil mechanics. Soil mechanics is part of geotechnique which is a base of civil engineering. In English, soil mechanics means soil mechanics or soil engineering, and modern mechanics in German. The term soil mechanics was given by Carl von Dietrich on in 1925 through his book Erbau Mechanic of Modern Physical Lake. C. Purpose. 1. To find out the definition of soil mechanics. 2. To find out the definition of land. 3. To find out the ground experiment. 4. To find out the trial in the field. 5. To find out the experiment in the laboratory. 6. To find out the use of soil change. 5W1H. Solid grains that are decomposed and not integrated, produced by natural and chemical disintegration process of rocks. What the meaning of land? Answer: the subgrade is an important part of the road intrusion because it supports the interconstruction above. Who? The father of soil mechanics. Answer: Carl von Dietrich. Where is the country Carl von Dietrich undergo an education? Answer: a material consisting of aggregates of soil minerals which are not connected to each other and of decayed organic matter accompanied by liquid and gas to fill the empty space between these solid particles. When was soil mechanics given by Carl von Dietrich? Answer: in 1925. Why does it have land? Answer: the land also functions as a supporter, as a foundation of the building. How to distribute soil grains? Answer: distribute of soil grain for lake drained soil used sieve test. For finely drained soil used hydrometer test. Verbal and nominal. Verb. So a civil engineer must also study the basic properties of the soil as their origin. The Dietrich is called the father of soil mechanics because of his service in studying the development of soil mechanics. Nominal. Soil mechanics is a branch of science that studies the physical properties of soil. The distribution of soil granite for lake granite soil is used a Pbll test for fine granite soil used the hydrometer test. Active and passive. Active in 1948, Carvan Terjek, a civil engineering scholar, argued the engineering mechanism is knowledge that applies the rules of mechanics and hydraulics to solve civil engineering problems related to sedimentation and collection of solid grains which are decomposed. Land is useful as building material in various civil engineering. Sentence and painter's classification. Terjek is called the father of soil mechanics because of his service in studying the development of soil mechanics past tense. The distribution of soil gradients for lake granite soil is used of Pbll test for fine granite soil used the hydrometer test. Present tense. List vocabulary. V1 spelling, fin, fight. V2 fold, V3 fold, V1 finding, meaning menemukan. V1 mix, V2 made, V3 made, V1 making, meaning membuat.